Assalamualaikum and hi, Miss Nom Mazreena. Before I go further, let me introduce my group member first. First representative will be me, Natasha binti Muhammad Sufyans. My metric number is 70696. Second representative will be Muhammad Al-Muslim bin Azmi. His metric number is 61427. Nur Yasmin Hanani binti Musa 71055. Lastly, it will be Chalicia Michael. Her metric number is 69291. Today, we would like to discuss about the trash and how eradicate this problem. Nowadays, Malaysians have grown rapidly and has become a developed nation. However, due to this modernization, the world that we live in now is badly affected by pollutions according to wide aspects such as human crime itself. Human crimes means activities that humans do that will damage the earth system such as logging, constructions, and more. Pollution is something that will damage the air and water. There is not denying that Malaysians are known as food heavens because it provides a different type of foods and has a unique taste. But behind of these beauties and tastes, some disadvantages will affect the pollutions as well as economy because of food wastage. All this happen because of humans' attitude that being so selfish and did not care about the environment. According to Berita Harian 2019, Malaysia produced 32,890 tons of waste disposals in one day. These actions not only affect the human health, but it will threaten aquatic life. If this waste disposal rate increase day by day and not minimize it, then our land will be landfill for trash and brings problems to us.
Trash is not a new issue in this country, but it happens globally in today's world. Disposal of waste has caused problems due to the lack of provision of garbage available in residential areas, especially since land in Malaysia is limited. In addition, the attitude of the local to take the easy way out of the garbage can also be contributing factor to this problem. This can be seen as the daily generated waste has negative effects such as bad odor that arise and pollutes the roadside. Other than that, trash also can bring problems to the environment such as water pollution. Human activities like dumping in toxic in the river will pollute the water and can cause aquatic life to die. For example, aquatic life such as turtle will die because of them eating plastic. As a result, we will disrupt the habitat ecosystem and will be infected with various diseases due to poor water quality such as food poisoning. Think you favor also can occur if the trash dumping in the river or stagnant water is not taken lightly by the people. Besides that, trash can cause air pollution through the smell produced by it. Smell that produce will make it difficult to breathe and easily get disease like leprosy. This gives tourists a bad impression of us and makes them presume that our country is not clean and cleanliness as what they think.
One of the reasons why people like to throw their things away is because of their attitude. There are some of them who are selfish without worrying about the fate of others. This is because they are too lazy to get up and find the trash can instead of throw it eventually. For example, people who are living in residential areas such as apartment often take the easy way by throwing their trash from the top floor. The second reason is that they are also less aware of personal hygiene and the importance of the environmental protection. They also didn't know that their action will harm the environment, such as air pollution, land pollution, and sea pollution. For example, when they throw plastic like straw, drink and food container into the gutter, it will cause clogged drain. The clogged drain will produce a very bad odor and causes an odor pollution.
So in my opinion is something is still useful but I no longer want it and it will throw it away. It's like used clothing and used car tire. All such items should not be disposed of at the disposal of the garbage, but they should not be disposed pollute the environment as well as possible pollution. Therefore, all used items should be modified, recycled and can be donated to people who need it. For example, like the clothing. The clothing we can donate to people who need it. Also, we can modify the cloth into the more useful, like blanket, handbag, and so on. Next is use car tire. Use car tire using the creativity and modification. I mean, car tire can be recycled with creativity and modification. For example, like car tire can serve as mini pool for decoration, outdoor decoration. It's like put the tire on the land and then put something plastic to make same like pool and then we put the water in the car tire and it's like pool, mini pool. Also can be made into flower pot as well as changing the shape to the like such as flower, animal shape and so on. For the conclusion, we should not throwing it away, but we can recycle and modify the item. That's all for me. Thank you.